And so when we think about clinical research, it needs to be differentiated from medical care, right? So medical care is an individual when you go and see your doctor, and it's really what's best for you, what's best for the patient. You give care for those who request it. On the other side is clinical research. So clinical research is stringent. It's driven by a protocol, right? So everything has to happen a certain way that's laid out in a very large 100-page protocol. There has to be reasonable benefit risk, right? And so if you're testing a drug, there has to be some benefit and the risk has to be reasonable. And we'll get a little more into informed consent. If you go into a clinical trial, you have to sign a document informing you of potential risks and your rights as a study participant. And it's very rigid, right? You can't kind of just your doctor can't just do whatever they want. They need to follow the approach of what's in the clinical protocol. And there's very strict inclusion and exclusion criteria. And so as I think many of you know, not everyone can qualify for certain clinical trials and maybe an age restriction, having symptoms or not having symptoms. So again, clinical research is very strict, protocol driven. It's a lot different from medical care.